I'm happy I got a new printer.
So am I.
Oh,
Is this
jeez.
the right way?
I don't know. You tell me. Oh!
Wait, my hair tied up.
Ow, my chest hurts.
My legs hurt.
Oh!
I tried. Wait.
My laugh definitely sounds like a seagull in this
It's
video.
Oh, it's so obnoxious.
Wait, what are those things called when you're like a charis?
What? No, don't say it. It's embarrassing.
What is it? That's what it's saying.
I know.
A charis?
Oh god, ready, watch. I'm gonna do seconds. I'm gonna fall right down the steps.
Oh!
I'm gonna do an illusion.
Oh god.
Wait. I'm gonna get this.
You're gonna get it. You gotta accomplish this.
Don't answer why there's a box on my foot. I really couldn't tell you. It's very entertaining. Okay. I'm gonna do. Wait.
Now watch, we're gonna have the best foot to dance now. Oh god.
Just
Just practice in a box.
Ready?
Oh!
I really wanna. Try it. Hold on.
Ice skate. Stop with the turns.
I can't ice skate with my left foot. Ow!
Oh!
Hold on, my foot. If this box breaks, I'm gonna cry. We're gonna need to find another one.
Yeah. Oh, there's another one over there, I think.
Where? Where? Oh,
Wait, no, never mind. My old computer's in it.
why? It feels ripped.
You ripped it?
No.
Oh god. Oh god.
Wait, no.
You look really scary.
What?
You look scary.
Why?
I don't know.
Imagine if I fell.
Oh my god, I pissed my pants.
It's so slippery now. Oh my god.
What? Why is it all of a sudden different?
I don't know, but it's slippery.
Oh god. Ah! Oh!
I really. That was so good. I sound like a bird call.
Yeah, you sound like a little baby bird trying. I don't even know.
Let me try doing a left.
Oh god.
This is really gonna hurt myself. I'm gonna be in the hospital in a second. I'll never get to go to Legally Blonde. It's a lot better than the right.
Wait, can I stop it now? Oh my god, that was really good!
Yes!
Yay! You look like a cheerleader.